What is live Wiremap and why is it important? On the TestPro multifunction certification tester, we have live Wiremap. This means when you connect your TestPro main and remote at opposite ends of a link, they immediately present a Wiremap on both ends. We've got our TestPro remote sitting right here on the camera, and to the left of that you'll see the screen of the TestPro main unit. I'm going to go ahead, I've got one unit already connected to this link. I'm going to connect the other unit to the opposite end of the link, and we immediately get presented with a Wiremap on both ends. We can see here on the remote, I see the Wiremap. It's showing me I've got a short and an open. Same thing on my main. So being able to see this before running a test is important, because if you've got a bad Wiremap, there's not much point in running an auto test. So if I want to figure out with this Wiremap where's my short and where's my open, I'm just going to click right in the middle of that Wiremap. It's going to do a diagnostic for me. And I'm doing this from the main end. I could also do this from the remote end. It's showing me I'm 42.5 feet away for the open and 39.8 feet away for the short. My experience tells me those are the same events on the other end of the cable. I could do the same thing on my remote and get the details about the distance from the remote. And the remote presents me with right around 2 feet away. So that tells me it's right behind there. So live Wiremap shows you faults like this. It can show you crossed wires. Again, this is a useful tool to help make you more efficient on the job site, giving you the information you need immediately. Please visit our website at www.aem-test.com for more information.